Hello and welcome back to my channel, my love. My name's Vanessa, and here we talk about all things manifesting your body, manifesting weight loss, health, fitness, all the good stuff. I've been able to lose over 70 pounds with the exact same principles that I teach you here on this page, so make sure to like, subscribe, drop any comments, questions that you have down below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Today's video is one of the most not talked about methods of weight loss that has worked for me and actually inspired my weight loss journey years ago, and that is embodying your favorite character. So this video is going to be lots of fun. If you try this, definitely let me know and follow me over on TikTok. I post about this stuff every day. Okay, let's get into it. What does that even mean? Embodying your favorite character. I am a fantasy novel girly. Like, if you are on the ACOTAR train, the Fourth Wing train, like, I love a good badass female character. And a few years ago, when I first started reading ACOTAR, first of all, Farrah's character development, legendary, very good. But Nesta's character development and the way that she was showing up to her workouts, and like, it was very much a physically fit, focused transformation. That inspired the crap out of me. Like, I started working out and I started embodying that energy of like, never again, never again. And I channeled that to myself in order to motivate me and to give me a greater perspective on my fitness journey. So at the time reading this, I was like completely avoiding my weight. I had no self-worth. I did not feel confident. I was like super not okay in my skin and in my body. And it was because of the old stories that I was telling myself and the things that I was allowing myself to relate to. So I was telling myself that, you know, this is just who I am. This is the body that I'm in. Like, is what it is. I'll just go buy 2XL and, you know, and live with my life. Reading these novels, like embodying, getting in the mindset of someone who is choosing differently, triggered something within me that gave me permission to choose something different for myself. I stopped telling myself those old stories and started just channeling this energy, this badass, like, you know what, fuck this shit energy. And that led me to start going to the gym, start watching what I eat. Like, I wanted my Cassian, you know, and like being in those shoes throughout the process of like reading these books, it didn't just stop there. It catapulted me into the body of my dreams, where I am now. I love to work out. This is like part of my personality. I love embodying that badassery. So maybe it's not badassery for you. Maybe it's like a dark feminine archetype. Maybe it's someone who moves their body sensually, like your thing is like dance. Or maybe for you, like your thing is yoga. Your archetype that you're embodying is like a peaceful, sage-like person who moves their body out of alignment. You see how simply just choosing a character that you resonate with and that you love, it could be from movies, from TV, from books, like anyone that really lights you up can inspire you to bring that into your own reality, because everything is consciousness. Everything is consciousness. Nothing stumbles upon you by mistake. I just stopped reading I just finished Onyx Storms, and my guides literally said, go read that book. Like, it's not, oh, here's a form of entertainment. No, everything has purpose and everything has meaning, and everything that that comes into your energetic field is something that you have manifested for yourself, whether that is in a state of lack, you know, or maybe that is in a state of empowerment. You want to change. There's something within you that knows that you can be doing better, that you are meant for more, that you can strive for that spot as the main character. Because what else are you gonna do, you know? Like, what else are you up to besides truly stepping into that highest version of yourself? It's so worth it. I promise. Okay, so this ties really closely into the identity shift method of manifestation because you are detaching from your backstory. Like your old stories are no longer yours. You are in the shoes. Like imagine what it's like immersing yourself, because this 3D reality, it's a 4D experience. The 4D being like the emotions that are brought upon this avatar that you're in. So you are seeing, feeling, smelling, experiencing, feeling what this character that we are is experiencing. Now, what happens when we fully immerse ourselves in the shoes of a different character? You start experiencing those emotions. You start calling in those things. So use it to your advantage. Get lost in the essence of a character that you adore, of a character that you want to embody, and tweak it as you go and make it your own. Like this is completely malleable, and I think that's the biggest thing that I need you to understand. Like in order to change your life, you need to detach from the person that you thought that you were. Yeah, you might have gone through some stuff. Are you gonna let that hold you back for the rest of your life? Like, yeah, you might be in a bit of a sticky situation, but it's in a sticky situation because you're allowing it to be that way, because you're not allowing yourself to think bigger and to detach and to find different ways to embody new circumstances. So fantasy has been the love of my life forever and ever. I love fantasy novels, fantasy movies, like it's my deal. So this has always been something that has come really effortless to me personally, because I love getting lost in these different things. This can really trigger some fitness oriented goals, because all of your favorite main characters, whether that is books, movies, TV, they work out. Your favorite character works out because that is how they stay centered. Like that is a habit and a ritual that they maintain because they need to get stronger to defeat bad guy, you know, like that is something so sacred to who they are that can become sacred to you simply by taking those feelings of I have to do this for the continent, you know, and just putting it onto yourself. I have to do this because I freaking love myself. I am so motivated. The person that I am is a fit person. This is embodiment. And romanticize the crap out of it. Make it fun, make it exciting, like do something different and like revel in it. Like if you are super into the Avatar train, like the Nesta 10,000 stairs challenge, like allow yourself to experience different things. Remember that it's meant to be fun. Fitness, losing weight, changing your body, changing your life, the process of it is meant to be fun. You want to lose weight because you want to feel confident, sexy, comfortable in your skin. Embodying that of someone who already feels that way is how you are manifesting the body of your dreams. So it's not, I'll feel that way whenever I get there. No, it's I feel that way now and my body reflects it. So use everything to your advantage. Romanticize the crap out of it. Make it something fun. Make yourself like believe that you are climbing the steps in Valaris every time you go on the Stairmaster. Like make it something exciting, make it something fun, and your body is going to revel in it. Okay, I've been able to identity shift with this exact method, and it's actually like, it's so funny that it's full circle now, because now I'm doing a workout series here on YouTube of all my favorite characters. So I just posted a Violet Soaringale workout because I just felt inspired. Like I'm just like, oh my god, she's so badass. Who else am I doing? Like I'm definitely doing a Nesta one. Like the people who inspire me to want to move my body. Of course I want to move my body. Have you seen Cassian? Duh, you know, like have you seen Zayden? Of course I'm going to embody that. Give yourself permission to have fun with this, romanticize it, get yourself like some freaking cool workout gear. Like it's meant to be exciting and it's meant to be fun. So you got this. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one.